5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action. Aloha romantic friends, welcome to today's video, and today we will be making strawberry dream soap. So in this bucket we have all of our goodies already in the soap. We're going to blend everything up to make soap. Now there's really no special ingredients in this particular soap besides the basic soap recipe. So I am going to put on the screen my basic soap recipe, and that will give you an idea of how you want to tailor your own soap recipe. And so before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and show you the melt and pour embeds that I have created for this particular soap. So I have some little strawberry pieces, and then I have some heart pieces. And so today's soap is a very simple soap. We're going to actually do a layer soap, and hopefully the soap will turn out the way I imagine it. Now on the screen you're going to see a illustration or a drawing of the picture that I have created, and hopefully my soap will turn out this way. Now let's move forward to the highlight of this featured presentation. I'm going to go ahead and blend everything up, and please enjoy the video.